Okay, good evening, friends. This is the second video I made of the series of research methods and tools, and I'm making this video on the request of some of my bachelor's and graduate and undergraduate students. So they were asking me how to use citation tools. So when you're writing a research paper, you have to have some tools to put in your references and then how you can quickly change the form and style of that referencing. So we're going to talk about that a little later. My name is Khurram Hashimi. I did my PhD at the Shanghai Jiaotong University and I've been affiliated with Shanghai Jiaotong University, China, and currently I'm affiliated with the Electrical Engineering Department at UET Lahore. So today we're going to talk about Mendeley, which is one of the most popular citation managers, citation tools these days. There are other citation managers like EndNote and couple of other companies have made, but I'm going to focus on Mandili today because it synchronizes very well with Microsoft Word and also keeps a record of the research papers that you have downloaded. So let's just jump into it without any further ado. So first off, the best way to start is to download the Mandili software manager. So it's an app developed by the Elsevier publishers. So you can just click on this link and then you can download it from here. It's going to download and then you can run it and install it. I'm not gonna do these steps because my Mandela is already installed, and if I just go here, I have it here. So the second question is how to cite a paper or a document. So I developed a Word document here for you. It's a simple sample paper. Uh, so let's suppose you wrote something that this is what I concluded from reading this paper. Okay, so now you want to put uh, just make the style and font everything okay. So now you want to put a citation. So you go here to references and you have to install a plugin for Mendeley. It's automatic, it downloads and it installs quickly, and then you start citing like this. So you click on insert citation and you go to Mendeley, and then you can choose a whole set of documents. You can classify documents here. So there is an add button where you can add your files, or you can make folders and then add files to that folder. And because I have been doing a lot of research lately, so I have lots and lots and lots of folders and lots of stuff. So these symbols indicate that these files are already stored with Mendeley in my account, and if I click here, they're going to download it from my account. So this is a good thing. It keeps track of all your papers and all your documents. Let's wait a little for it to download. Okay, so now you can see that it has already picked the journal and the authors and the volume number and everything. So you can see that it has picked up all the details, including the type of the article, journal article, and the title, the authors, the journal that it was published in. So here is the journal, right? It has picked up all this information from the PDF. So the volume number, the issue, the pages, the abstract, and all sorts of other things, including the DOI, the digital object identifier, and the ISSN of the journal, etc., etc., etc. This part shows you the file that this PDF is affiliated or stored at in your computer. Usually it's C drive. Okay, So if the information is faulty and you're not satisfied with it, like volume 13, issue 2, and the pages are from 448 here to all the way down to 460, right? So if you think that this information is faulty, you can just correct it like this, and it's going to update. So since everything is okay, I'm not going to update anything. Now coming back to citing, you just uh, go here and you write insert citation, go to Mendeley, so you have this, and you just click cite. So here it's cited. Now remember, the rule for citation is that it comes here and the full stop comes after, and then if there are more than one papers, uh, for instance anything like this, right, and you just click here, so there are going to be two. Alright, let's insert another one, and then like this one. And so if you click here, you can see that the issue is maybe not available. Okay, still you can cite. Now what you can do here is that from this list you can select a whole different kind of styles. I prefer the IEEE. For beginners, IEEE is okay, but you can also have, now this International Journal of Electrical Power and Energy Systems is good for most Elsevier journals, because this is an Elsevier journal. And there are many others. So I'd suggest you stick with IEEE. And now you select these and you can merge them. So the rule is that you if they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, you write 1, 2, 3. All right. Now how to put in the bibliography or the list of references? You just write anything, references. You can give them any title. It's irrelevant. And then you just click insert bibliography, and it gives you the entire references, so you can change the style, etc., etc. But this is your list of references in this text. Okay, so now if you want to change the style, how these appear, you can just go here and you can click, and it will automatically be updated. So for this journal, this is the citation style. You can click on any additional one. All right, now this is some people like to do this, and your paper, wherever you paste this, will carry all the information, and you can paste it across different files and it can update automatically. All right, and then if you change the number of like, there is another information, all right, and you can just go to citations, and for instance you cite this article here, and then you want to write something in between here, cite another article here. So this software is going to take care of this numbering automatically. Okay, so you write something like, there is, like anything, blah blah blah, A B C D E F G, and then you cite something else. For instance, you cite this, it's automatically added, and this is probably the same which I cited here, so it's like this. You can insert another one right here and make it like, right, and then you can just merge citations. It's going to take care of everything. So if there are two citations, it's going to write like this. If there are more than two, it's going to write like this. And then you can just save, and you can always click refresh, and it's going to correct the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring them in order. Okay, so this is a short video about how you can do this. If there are any questions, you can hit me up on my email, or you can write on the comment section below. All right, have a good time. Enjoy using the software tools and keep in touch. Bye bye.